Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more exciting ideas. We need a bamboo stick, white foaming sheet, and cut it in a flower shape or two heart shape. We need some artificial leaf and cut it in a pieces, jute drop, and make two jute bows. Cut the 4 equal pieces of jute drop. Now attach the jute drop with the bamboo stick with 5 cm interval. Now it looks like this. Now we attach a flower, heart or bow or add some beads on the rope. Attach the leaf with the flower. Add some beads and place the beads at the center of the flower. Now we attach the heart with the rope and attach also bow at the front of the heart. Now we make a hanging knob. Now our wall hanging flower die is ready. Thanks for watching my video.